Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to write a, professional email. So I'm going to respond to a professional email using the Claude, using the connector of Gmail. So in order to add a connector of Gmail, just go to the connector, add connector option, and select Gmail. Now I have already integrated it and gave the permissions to it. So I have two emails regarding Ibrahim and Iman. So by just giving the context of the email, not I'm just giving the names of the person who sent it to me, but I'm just giving the context that the emails might include the name of Ibrahim and Iman. So they go through everything and they found out that there are two emails, and I asked it to write a separate professional reply to it. And here's the professional reply. I just click on the send button and it sent it right to them using the Claude rather than sending it through the Gmail. So it's very easy, very simple. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.